Oracle card reading is a fascinating journey that connects you with divine guidance. These cards may look like ordinary playing cards, but they're not what you think because they hold the power to guide you towards profound insights. Imagine having a tool that helps you tap into the wisdom of the universe, offering clarity and direction in your life. Oracle cards are more than just pieces of paper with images. They are a gateway to your higher self and the messages that the universe has for you. This journey isn't about predicting the future in a traditional sense, but about understanding the present moment and aligning yourself with your true path. When you engage with oracle cards, you open up to a world of intuition, inner knowing, and spiritual connection that can transform your life. Understanding oracle card reading is essential for anyone seeking spiritual growth. If you miss out on tapping into the guidance these cards offer, you might overlook vital messages and guidance from the divine. It's like having a roadmap to your destiny but never looking at it. Without the insights from oracle cards, you could find yourself wandering aimlessly, missing out on the opportunities and wisdom that could help you navigate life's challenges with ease. The stakes are high because this practice can lead to profound personal growth, helping you align with your higher purpose and make empowered decisions. Ignoring this powerful tool means missing the chance to deepen your connection with the divine, understand yourself better, and create a life filled with purpose and meaning. Oracle cards are spiritual tools that help you connect with your intuition and the divine. Unlike tarot cards, which have a set structure and meaning, oracle cards are more free-form and can vary widely in their themes and imagery. Each deck of oracle cards is unique, with its own set of messages and artwork designed to evoke your intuition and inner wisdom. The cards serve as a mirror to your soul, reflecting your inner thoughts and feelings, and providing guidance and clarity. When you draw a card, it acts as a catalyst for introspection, encouraging you to look within and find answers to your questions. The beauty of oracle cards is their flexibility. They can be used for any type of question or situation, whether you are seeking guidance on a specific issue or just looking for general advice. They are a versatile and accessible way to deepen your spiritual practice and gain insight into your life's journey. Oracle cards have a rich history that spans cultures and centuries. Their origins can be traced back to ancient civilizations that used various forms of divination to seek guidance from the divine. In ancient Egypt, priests would interpret messages from the gods using sacred symbols and rituals. Similarly, in ancient China, the I Ching, or Book of Changes, provided guidance through a complex system of hexagrams. These early forms of divination laid the groundwork for what would eventually become oracle cards. In more recent history, the use of oracle cards became popular in the 19th and 20th centuries as spiritualism and interest in the metaphysical grew. Influenced by tarot, which dates back to the 15th century, oracle cards developed as a more flexible and intuitive form of card reading. Unlike tarot, which has a strict structure of 78 cards divided into the major and minor arcana, oracle cards can vary in number and theme, allowing for greater creative expression and personal connection. Today, oracle cards are used worldwide by people from all walks of life, seeking to connect with their higher selves and the universe. Oracle card reading is a simple yet profound process that involves drawing cards from a deck and interpreting their messages. The first step is to choose a deck that resonates with you. Each deck has its own unique energy and theme, so it's important to select one that you feel drawn to. Once you have your deck, take a moment to center yourself. This can involve deep breathing, meditation, or simply clearing your mind. When you're ready, shuffle the cards while focusing on your question or the guidance you seek. This helps to infuse the cards with your energy and intention. As you shuffle, you may feel compelled to stop at a certain point or a card may fall out of the deck. These are signs that the card is meant for you. Draw one or more cards, depending on the spread you are using, and lay them out in front of you. Each card you draw holds a message that relates to your current situation or question. Look at the images, symbols, and words on the card, and pay attention to the feelings and thoughts that arise. The interpretation of the cards can be guided by the accompanying guidebook, but it is equally important to trust your intuition. The messages you receive through oracle card reading are not set in stone. They are meant to provide insight and perspective, helping you to navigate your path with greater clarity and confidence. Choosing the right oracle deck is a personal and intuitive process. With so many different decks available, each with its own unique artwork, themes, and messages, it can be overwhelming to decide which one to pick. Start by considering what you are seeking from your oracle card practice. Are you looking for general spiritual guidance, messages from angels, insights into your love life, or something else entirely? Knowing your intention can help narrow down your choices. Visit a metaphysical shop or browse online stores to explore different decks. Pay attention to the artwork and see which images resonate with you. The connection you feel with the deck's imagery is important, as it will enhance your ability to interpret the cards intuitively. Don't rush this process. Take your time to find a deck that truly speaks to you. Once you have chosen your deck, spend some time getting to know it. Look through each card and read the guidebook to understand the meanings and messages associated with the cards. Bonding with your deck can involve meditating with it, sleeping with it under your pillow, or simply spending quiet time with the cards. The more familiar you become with your deck, the more powerful and accurate your readings will be. Preparing for an oracle card reading is a crucial step to ensure that you receive clear and accurate messages. Start by creating a calm and peaceful environment. This can be a dedicated space in your home or any place where you feel comfortable and free from distractions. Light a candle, burn some incense, or play soft background music to help set a sacred tone. Center yourself through a brief meditation or deep breathing exercises. This helps to clear your mind and align your energy with the cards. Hold your deck in your hands and set an intention for the reading. This intention can be a specific question you want to ask or a general request for guidance. As you shuffle the cards, focus on this intention, allowing your energy to merge with the deck. This preparation not only enhances your connection with the cards, but also opens you up to receive the divine messages they hold. Conducting your first oracle card reading can be an exciting and enlightening experience. Begin by shuffling the deck while focusing on your intention. When you feel ready, draw a card or multiple cards, depending on the spread you have chosen. A simple one-card draw can provide a clear and focused message, while more complex spreads like the three-card spread, past, present, future, can offer deeper insights. Lay the cards out in front of you and take a moment to absorb the images and symbols. Allow your intuition to guide you in interpreting the cards. What feelings or thoughts arise when you look at each card? Use the guidebook to help you understand the traditional meanings, but also trust your own inner knowing. Remember, there are no right or wrong interpretations. The messages are meant to resonate with you personally. Take notes on your impressions and any insights that come to you. Reflect on how the card's messages relate to your current situation or question. This practice helps you to build a deeper connection with the cards and develop your intuitive skills over time. Interpreting oracle card messages is both an art and a science. Each card in your deck carries a unique message, often depicted through imagery, symbols, and keywords. Start by observing the card's artwork. What stands out to you? Are there any symbols that catch your eye? Pay attention to your initial reactions, as these can provide important clues about the card's meaning. Next, read the guidebook's interpretation of the card. The guidebook offers a foundational understanding of the card's traditional meaning. However, it is equally important to listen to your intuition. What personal meaning does the card hold for you? Sometimes, the messages you receive will be direct and clear, while other times they may be more subtle and require deeper reflection. Consider how the card's message applies to your life. How does it relate to your current situation, feelings, or thoughts? The beauty of oracle cards lies in their ability to speak directly to your soul, offering guidance that is both profound and personal. Over time, you will develop a more nuanced understanding of the cards and their messages, enhancing your ability to interpret them with confidence and clarity. Using different spreads and layouts can add depth and variety to your oracle card readings. One of the most common spreads is the single card draw, which provides a focused and concise message. This is ideal for daily guidance or quick insights. The three-card spread is another popular layout, often used to explore past, present, and future influences on a situation. This spread helps you to see how past experiences shape your present and guide your future actions. Another variation is the mind, body, and spirit spread, which offers holistic insights into your overall well-being. For more complex questions, you can use larger spreads like the Celtic Cross, which provides a comprehensive view of a situation, including potential obstacles and outcomes. Experimenting with different spreads allows you to tailor your readings to specific needs and questions, making your oracle card practice more versatile and insightful. Integrating oracle card guidance into your daily life can enhance your spiritual journey and personal growth. Start by setting aside time each day to draw a card and reflect on its message. This daily practice helps to keep you connected with your intuition and the divine. Use the insights gained from your readings to make informed decisions and take inspired actions. For example, if a card encourages you to embrace new opportunities, look for ways to step out of your comfort zone and try something new. If a card highlights the need for self-care, prioritize activities that nurture your well-being. Keep a journal to document your readings and the guidance you receive. Over time, you will notice patterns and themes that can provide deeper understanding and clarity. Integrating oracle card guidance into your daily routine helps to create a continuous dialogue with the divine, supporting you in living a more mindful and intentional life. As you become more comfortable with oracle card reading, you may want to explore advanced techniques to deepen your practice. One powerful method is to combine oracle cards with other spiritual tools, such as crystals, meditation, or journaling. For instance, you can draw a card during your meditation session to gain insights and clarity on a specific issue. Another advanced tip is to create your own spreads tailored to your unique questions and needs. Designing custom spreads allows you to address specific areas of your life more effectively. You can also explore thematic readings where you focus on a particular aspect of your life, such as career, relationships, or personal growth. Engage with the oracle card community, both online and offline, to share experiences and learn from others. Joining a study group or attending workshops can provide new perspectives and deepen your understanding of oracle card reading. The more you practice and explore, the richer your oracle card journey will become, leading to greater spiritual growth and connection. Embarking on the journey of oracle card reading opens up a world of divine guidance and spiritual connection. By understanding the history and origin of oracle cards, learning how they work, and choosing the right deck, you lay the foundation for a profound practice. Preparing for a reading, conducting it with intention, and interpreting the messages with intuition further deepen your connection with the cards. Using different spreads and integrating the guidance into your daily life enhance the practical benefits of oracle card reading. As you explore advanced techniques, you continue to grow and evolve on your spiritual path. Oracle cards are a powerful tool for receiving divine messages and creating a life aligned with your highest self.